This conference will now be recorded.
See, why we need to learn Talend ETL tool, guys? Is there any reason? Is there any reason, team? Because of n number of technologies are there in the market. Why we need to learn this technology only? What are the benefits are there? So if you learn Talend ETL tool, this Talend ETL tool cost is very less compared with other technologies, software cost. So compare with other technologies, easy to learn it. We can learn easily. We can easily develop it. We can easily serve it in IT industry. So packages, you will get very good packages compared with other technologies. Just no coding effort required. Coding is not required. Just simply drag and drop. Drag and drop. Just we need to analyze it and we need to implement it. So that's why more power cloud integration we can do easily. Cloud integration. That's why Talend is more powerful in the market. If you learn Talend, less competition is there because of some people not aware the technology name. So more openings are there. You can easily survey it. You can easily get the job by if you learn Talend. Okay. So that is the use of learning the Talend. Okay. So we are going to cover this class 35 working days, guys. Okay. So class 35 working days. The class timings for every day 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay. So this is a 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. IST Indian timing. So this is a class timings. So this is the course content we are going to cover it. This is the course content we are going to cover it. So this we will cover in the I will give the Talend softwares. I will explain it. So data warehousing concept, Oracle and Snowflake also will cover how to connect the Snowflake. So along with multiple databases, Oracle, Teradata, Redshift, Snowflake, how to connect it, will explain it. So we'll cover the real-time scenarios, interview questions and answers, how to schedule the jobs, project explanation, mock interview will connect it. Okay. So this is the see. So I'm having around 10 years of experience, guys. So we'll provide online and offline classes. We'll provide the materials. See, I have already prepared the notes, guys. I have already prepared the notes. So when I open my document, so see, I have already prepared the notes. These documents are very useful, guys. If you open this, it is having clear steps. It is having clear steps. So each document I have documented, each class document I have material I have prepared it. So you can easily understand it. Okay. So this is the along with we have prepared the real-time scenarios. Real-time scenarios documents also. So there is a real-time scenarios documents also I have prepared it. So this one also I will provide it. So this is the project scenarios, some real-time scenarios we are providing it. Okay. So along with project explanation I will do. Real-time project explanation will explain it. So along with interview questions and answers. Interview questions and answers. Interview questions. I have already prepared the documents. So I will provide the documents as well as recordings. Read only mode. So that is the benefits from my institute. If you learn from Talend. Okay. Is it clear? Any questions so far, team? Any questions so far? Any questions? Any
Yeah, Venkat.
questions? Yeah.
Yeah, Venkat. On small doubt.
Yes, please.
That uh, biggest companies like Wipro and TCS, Accenture, those companies are using this Talend software.
Yes, yes. There is a n number of openings, all MNCs. All MNCs like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys, okay, Infosys for every company having lot of openings. Virtusa, Citibank, Deloitte, Lowe's, for every company having lot of openings, guys. So TCS is acquired more project. TCS is acquired more project than Infosys. Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, Deloitte. So nowadays, what they are doing now, they are converting from other ETL tools to Talend. Like they're converting from data stage to Talend, Informatica to Talend, Ab initio to Talend. They're converting it. So our students also working conversion project in some TCS for other companies. They're working from Informatica to Talend, data stage to Talend. Our students also working. Okay. So you'll get lot of openings, guys. No, don't worry on that top that wise. Okay. Any other questions, team? Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. So subject wise, we'll provide very good, guys, because of we have already documented. We'll give the documents. This is with having clear steps, right? So when I show here, it's having clear steps. When I open anything, it is having clear steps. Okay, all the steps I have given, along with I will explain it. Along with we will provide the recording videos. For along with we will give the source files for practice purpose. Okay, I'm sure that will make you to 100% to get the job. 100%. But you have to practice, guys. If you're not practicing, no one able to help it. Okay, we'll give the guidance. As per the guidance, you have to follow it. If you follow the guidelines, 100% you'll get job. Okay. So let me take some example and let me explain it today. So let me go for assume that, guys. So one sample example I will give it. Please, okay. Assume that my customer is given the requirement, right? So assume that my customer is saying that. So there is a one file is available. I have one file. That file is called as a uh, SRC EMP file. Let me open this file. So it's having some data, right? So employee number, employee name, job, salary, commission, DPT number. From this is the call as a column names, guys. We can call as a column names. Employee number, employee name, job, salary, commission, DPT number. These are the column names. How many records are there, team, in this file? 12 records. First record is a header, so that's why we will not consider it. So from one column to another column, something is separated. That separator is called as a delimiter, guys. What is the delimiter in this file, team? What is the delimiter in this file? Comma. Employee number, comma, employee name, comma, job, comma, salary, comma, commission, comma, DEPT number, right? This delimiter is called as a comma. Now this is a text file, guys. This is the text file, right? Okay. So this is a text file. I want to read it. I want to read the data from text file. I wanted to load another text file, I want to generate. Okay, but when I'm loading into my target, see, when I see the salary columns is coming 4,000, 5,000, 9,000, clumsy format, right? But I want to, when I see the salary column, record descending order. Descending order means the values highest value to lowest value. Highest value to lowest value. Okay. Descending order. Descending order means highest to lowest value. There is a ascending order means lowest to highest. But my customer is asking, I want to see the records in the descending order. Descending order means highest to lowest. How to do in the Talend? I want to sort the data means we have to use some components. We have to read the data means we have to use some components. So I want to read the text file, right? So there is a one component in the Talend t file input delimited. By using the t file input delimited component, I can read the text file. I can read the text file. I want to generate the another text file, right? So we have to use some component t file output delimited. By using the t file output delimited, I can generate the another text file. Between I want to sort the data order, right? Descending order, right? I want to sort the data means we have to use one component t sort row component. By using the t sort row component, I can sort the data either ascending order or descending order. Okay, so I can sort the data either ascending order or descending order. Okay, how to do in the Talend, we'll see now. What is my requirement? Customer is given one file. I have to read this file. I want to generate another text file. When I'm loading into another text file, I want to sort the data in descending order. How to do in the Talend, we'll see now. Is the requirement is clear, team? Is the requirement is clear, everybody? Is requirement is clear, everybody? Now, how to implement in the Talend, we'll see now. Am I audible, team? Are able
Yes,
to see my
yes.
screen? Yeah. So now, how to implement in the Talend, we'll see now. So let me go for the Talend. See, we'll explain you how to install the software in the further classes, guys. This is the demo class, right? So let me go for a job designs. There is a create a job option. Is there. Create a job. Keep on mute, guys. Okay. So now, so this is the text file. So let me go for the job designs. Create a job. Can somebody mute it? Okay. So now, so let me pass the job name here. Demo 25. Click on finish. Click on finish. My designer workspace is opening. My designer workspace is opening. So now I want to read the text file, right? What component I have to use, Tim? In the file component, there is input. What is the customer is saying that I want to read the text file, right? I want to read the text file means we have to use. So let me keep the cursor here. Type t file input delimited component. Keep the cursor here. Keep the cursor is type t file input delimited component. Now, so reading this one, I want to load generate the another text file, right? Which component we have to use it? T file output delimited component. I want to generate the text file means we have to use T file output delimited component. Between what I have to do? I have to sort the data, right? I want to sort the data means we can use the T sort row component. I want to sort the data in descending order as per the requirement. So that's why I have to use the T sort row component. Now I have to give the link, guys, from this one to this one. I have to map it. How to map it, we'll see now. So right click this one, click the row and main, right click this T sort row and main. So now I have given the links now. Now I have to define the properties. Each component we can call as a components, guys. This T file input delimiter, what are the properties are there? T sort row, what are the properties are there? T file output delimiter, what are the properties are there? We have to define it. How to define it, we'll see now. So double click the T file input delimiter component. So where this source file is available, where it is available. So it is Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited 2022 year. So 31st October batch folder is there. So in the source folder, this is the folder, right? I have to browse this path. How to browse it? So there is a browse button is there. So let me go for the documents. Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So in the 2022 year, so in the 31st October batch folder, in the source folder, so let me go for the, so let me make as a, select that file. What is the file name I want to read it? SRC EMP file, right? So let me select this srcmp file. So what is the delimiter in this file team? What is the delimiter in this file? Comma. Let me go for my job design. There is a field separator is there. By default is the semicolon, right? Let me make as a comma now. So is there any header record? First record is a header record, right? It's not a data, right? So first record is a header. Let me go for the header. Let me pass the one. Header I have to pass one. Now let me go for the edit schema. There is a one edit schema. Yeah. We can pass to. Okay, how many it is available? Those many we can pass it. Okay. So now, so I need to pass the schema, right? What is the schema is there? This is the first column, employee number, right? Let me copy this employee number. So there is a plus symbol, add the plus symbol, paste the employee number. So employee number, when I see here, it is the integer data type, right? All the employee numbers are the integer numbers, right? So in Talend, we can call as a int data type, integer. So let me change it to integer. Okay. So assume that my customer is saying that use the employee number length 10. My characters, it will come 10. So now, so what is the next column team? Employee name. Let me copy this employee name, add the plus symbol. So let me give the employee lab is the string format, characters, right? It is having some characters, right? So that's why what data type I have to pass means in Talend, we have to use string data type. We have to use string data type, guys. So let me go here. Let me pass the some length. What is the next column team? Job. Let me copy the job column. So let me paste it here. Add the plus symbol. Job. Job is the it is in characters, right? String. So we need to pass as a string data type. Let me give some length. I want to 50. See this one, who will give means who is the giving the requirement, that requirement person, they will mention this is the my column name, this is my data type, this is the length. You don't need to worry about. Customer will give one Excel sheet. As per the Excel, we have to develop it. Now add the one more column. So next column is salary. Let me add the salary column. So so what is the salary? Salary data type team? Is it string or it is number? Number, right? Number means in Talend we have to use integer data type. Okay, so let me give some length. I'm giving 15 now. So so there is a one more column is there, right? Commission. So what we have to do, we have to add the plus symbol. So we add the commission column. Commission values are the integer values, so that's why let me select the data type as the integer. So let me give the some length 10. Okay, I'm giving randomly in the real time. So customer will give the requirement. As per the requirement, we have to define the lengths and the data types. So now let me go for the DEPT number, copy that DEPT number. So order also very important, guys. In the file, what are the order is there? Here the same order I have to add it. Else the data it will be mismatched. So let me give some length. So I have added the columns. I have defined the data types. I have defined the lengths. Click on OK. Click on yes. Now let me go for the tSortRow component. What is my condition? Customer is asking which column I want to sort it. I want to sort the data salary in descending order. So I want to sort the data in descending order means, so in the criteria section, double click the tSortRow component. There is a plus symbol. Add the plus symbol. So there is a salary column. So we have to. There is a descending order. There is a order. Descending order is there. Let me select the descending order. So how to add it? So add the plus symbol, select the column name, which column I want to sort it. So I want to sort the salary column in descending order. So let me add the descending order. So now let me go for the T file output delimiter. I have to save somewhere, right? So that is called as a target, where I have to generate means. So let me go for the target folder. There is a one target folder. I will generate it here. Okay, so now, so here I have to generate it. How to generate it, we'll see now. So let me go for the browse the target path where I have to generate it. So in the documents, Nandini software solutions, in the 2022 year in the October batch folder. So in the target section, okay, October 31st batch folder in the target. So let me give the so target, right? Target, okay, output target sort data dot txt file. I will give the txt file. I want field separator comma. Let me give the comma here. So my source having the column names, right? Employee number, employee name, job, salary. My target also I want the column names. Let me use the include header option. Include header option. Now let me go for the save job. File and save the job. File and save the job. So now I have defined the properties. I have saved the job. Now I want to execute the process, right? Then only I can see the output, right? How to execute the process means here there is a run button, run tab is there, right? So there is a run button is there. We need to click the run button. When you click the run button, my job is running. My source having 12 records. My target also it is loading the 12 records. But when I see the output, let me go for the my output section. So I have generated the output file here. When I open that salary columns, I should see the descending order. Descending order means highest value to lowest value. See, it is 10,000, 9,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, okay, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. It is coming in the descending order. Now, my customer is asking, I want to sort the data in ascending order. Where I have to change it in? Where I have to change it? So in the sort, in the double click the T sort row component, salary column here I will make as the ascending order. I will use the another output file. I want to another output file. So let me give this another output file name T target sort to data 2 dot text file. 2 dot text file. Let me save the job file and save the job. So run the process. There is a run button. Click the run button. So my file is generating. See, when I open the second output, what is the values I should get in? What are the values? Salary values. Ascending order. Is it coming team? Okay. So what it
Yes,
will
sir.
do? T file input delimiter. What it will do means I want to read the text file. There is some text file. I want to read the data from the text file means we have to use T file input delimiter. So what is the use of T sort row component? I want to sort the data either ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to highest. Descending order means highest to lowest values. Means we have to use the T sort row component. I want to generate the another text file. I want to load the data. Means we have to use T file output delimiter component. By using the T file output delimiter component, I can generate the another text file. Now, see guys, let me ask one question here. Let me see my customer is asking one more requirement. So I'm reading the data from the text file. I'm loading into the another output file. I'm sorting the data. But when I load the data, I don't want to load all the columns. So I want to load only DEPT number 10 values. I want to load only DEPT number 10 values. I don't want to load all the records. In the DEPT number 10 values, I want to sort the data in the descending order. Okay, how to do in the Talend we'll see now. So I want to filter the data, right? I don't want see my condition. I want to load only DEPT number 10 records, right? So I want load only DEPT number 10 means there is a one component tFilterRow component. By using the tFilterRow component, I can filter the data. So let me give the connection here. Let me cut it. So let me, so first I will filter the data. So let me give the output link here. So what is the condition? Double click the T filter row. There is a condition section. What is my condition team? DEPT number equals to 10. DEPT number values I want to load only 10. So then double click the T sort row component. What is the salary values I want it? Descending order. So let me go for the another output file I want to generate it. Let me go for the output 3. Let me give the output 3 here. Output 3 dot text file. So now let me run the job. I should get the only DEPT number 10 values. Those salary values I want to see in the descending order. See, my source having 12 records, but I'm getting the 6 records. So let me go for output 3. Let me open in the notepad plus plus. So I'm getting the 10 values. I'm not getting other values. Why? Because I am written the some condition. What is the condition? DPT number equal to 10. But salary values I want to see in the descending order. See now you tell me I want to sort the data. Which component we have to use it? We have to use tsort row component, right? Suppose I want to filter the data means we have to use tFilter row component. Suppose I want to read the text file. I want to read the text file. Which component we have to use, team? tFile input delimited. By using the tFile input delimiter, I can read the text file. So I want to generate the another text file. I want to write the data. Write the data into another text file. We have to use which component, team? tFile output delimited. Just we need to learn. There is some components. These components, what it will do? If you learn it, you will get the job easily, guys. Okay. So see, this is from tomorrow onwards regular classes, guys. Who are all interested? The class timings 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to my number, WhatsApp number 9538 160 185. I'm going to give the training. This is a Venkat. My name is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. We have in Marathalli, offline and online, both we are conducting classes. Okay. So I am the CEO, I am the trainer, both. Okay. So if you're interested, feel free to reach out. Okay, we are providing talent along with multiple technologies in my institute. We are teaching. Okay, so mainly we are focusing on talent because of talent is very good in the market. Lot of openings are there. That's why we are conducting talent uh, more batches. Okay. Any questions, team?
Venkat,
Let me stop the recordings. Then let me take the questions.